Stick it up your nose, not the... No, show me. I'm trying to show you.
Leave me alone.
You put it in an angle, put it all the way up to there, like, and turn it around. It's not sore at all. Up further, and that's going. Has to go against has to go against this. The
yeah,
inside
it's
of
okay. I did it. It's okay. Okay, do it on the other side. I think I have one nostril more sensitive than the other. This one is less. Okay, I went farther.
Did you get stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Then put it back up again and get that stuff.
Quédate adentro del tú. Ma.
Que no puedo.
Si lo han metido, ¿no?
El otro. Ma. Gíralo.
Dios, qué
Mételo.
bueno recuerdo. Qué bueno recuerdo.
Voy a acabar el vídeo.
Wait for it. Masakit be. Hayak na yan.
Okay, you're doing great. You're doing great. I'm not quite in there. You're doing okay? Yep, you're okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, you're doing fine. 1, all done, all done. I can't get back up in that side. I don't want to push. 1, 2, 3.
Dude, oh my god, hurry up.
I know. I know.
Working in a doctor office you stay getting COVID tested.
Bitch, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh. Oh my god. Good lord. Okay. Okay. Nose swab is done. I told you. Okay, then it goes in here.
Oh, geez, I'm gonna sneeze a while now. Going to get my COVID test. And down. I know. I'm so sorry. Oh.
Ay, Dios. 1, 2, 3 y 4. 1, 2, 3 y 4. No es una experiencia.
Let's get a close up. Oh, I look dreadful. I don't want to do this again. Bottoms up. Oh, screw this, honestly. That was just one nostril. Don't look at me, I'm hideous. Oh, that was disgusting. Ew, don't look at it. Okay, that's enough.